How to enable voice search in YouTube on a Samsung Smart TV. Voice search on YouTube in a Samsung Smart TV can be enabled if your TV remote supports voice commands and the feature is activated. Follow these steps to enable and use voice search. Step 1. Check your remote for voice search. Look for a microphone or voice button on your Samsung remote. This indicates your TV supports voice commands. If your remote lacks this button, you may need a compatible remote or use the Samsung SmartThings app as an alternative. Step 2. Ensure YouTube app is installed and updated. Go to Apps on your TV and check if the YouTube app is installed. If it's installed, open App Settings and ensure it is updated to the latest version. Step 3. Enable voice search on Samsung TV. Access TV settings. Press the Home button on your remote and navigate to Settings. General Voice. Activate voice search. Turn on voice search or enable Bixby, Samsung's voice assistant. Set up or sign in to your Samsung account if prompted. Step 4. Use voice search in YouTube. Open YouTube. Launch the YouTube app from the Home menu or Apps section. Activate voice search. Press and hold the microphone or voice button on your remote. Speak your query. Say what you want to search. Play cat videos or search for cooking tutorials. Navigate results. The search results will display on the screen. Use the remote to select your desired video. Step 5. Use Samsung SmartThings app. Optional. Install the app. Download the SmartThings app on your smartphone, Android, or iOS. Connect to your TV. Pair the app with your Samsung Smart TV. Use voice command. Use the app's built-in voice feature to send commands to your TV. By following these steps, you can enable and use voice search in the YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV for a convenient hands-free experience.